Nuclear missile launch in North Korea. This missile is believed to be headed in the direction of the Los Angeles metropolitan area.
Give me the sit rep, Miller.
North Korea launched an ICBM at approximately 2100 hours.
Current estimates place the missile impacting in 3 hours over downtown Los Angeles.
How are we going to stop this?
Sir, we've just received communications from Kim Jong-un.
Put it up.
공화국정부는 앞으로도 자주 평화 친선의 대정책 이념을 확고히 견지하면서 우리나라의 자주권을 존중하고 우리를 우호적으로 대하는 모든 나라들과의 친선 협조 관계를 확대 발전시키며 우리나라의 자주권을 존중하고 우리를 우호적으로 대하는 모든 나라들과의 친선 협조 관계를 확대 발전시키며 세계의 평화, 안전, 인류 공동의 번영을 위하여 적극 노력할 것입니다.
Jesus.
Can anyone here solve this problem?
I only know of one man who can help us.
Let's go get him.
There's only one problem. We have to find him.
I knew you'd come through that door one day.
It wasn't easy tracking you down, Shepard.
Wasn't supposed to be.
I know you've retired, but
That's all behind me now, General. I'm not the man you knew during AP Calc.
we're facing a threat unlike anything we've ever seen before. Your calculus skills...
I made a vow never to integrate an equation again. Sorry, General. Gonna have to find somebody else.
We weren't thinking you'd do it. We were just hoping you could recommend someone for the job.
No, I can't. I'll do it.
Well, we were just looking for a recommendation.
General, I can do this.
Why did we choose this guy again?
Believe it or not, this man pulled a 95 in AP Calc.
It was a 96, General.
Anybody here want to start trying to save the country?
Alright, what are we looking at here?
They hit us with the area between curves.
Isn't that a war crime?
You think Kimmy Boy cares about the Geneva Convention, Shepard?
He never was one to follow the rules. Okay, General, let's get it on.
This may take a while. This is an insanely complex problem.
Done.
What? How did you do that?
First, I grabbed my trusty graphing utility and plugged in square root of x into y1 and x squared into y2. Then I went to second trace intersect and found the intersection points inside of the boundaries. I found that the two equations intersect at 0 and 1. Knowing the equation for the area between curves, it's the integral of a to b upper minus lower with respect to x. Plugging in what we already knew, it's the area for d is the integral of 0 to 1, the square root of x minus x squared with respect to x. Using the fundamental theorem of calculus, we know that the answer could be 1/3 unit squared.
Oh, okay, wow. That is incredible. But what does that area mean?
Well, if you were thinking of it in terms of a velocity time graph, it could be known as the net distance traveled in this area.
That's amazing. Write that down, Miller.
Sir, North Korea's launched another missile. It looks like he sent us another problem to solve.
우리 당과 공화국 정부는 앞으로도 자주 평화 친선의 대정책 이념을 확고히 견지하면서 우리나라의 자주권을 존중하고 우리를 우호적으로 대하는 모든 나라들과의 친선 협조 관계를 확대 발전시키며 세계의 평화, 안전, 인류 공동의 번영을 위하여 적극 노력할 것입니다.
That jackwagon?
Don't worry, General.
Oh God, please
stop.
stop. My wife's leaving me and she's taking the kids and we used to crack our knuckles when we went on dates and it's been 3 years since we got engaged and I need this job in order to pay for my house and I don't know what I'm gonna do. Oh my God.
Oh, right. Sorry.
I don't even think this is possible. I've never seen anybody do this.
Done.
What?
How did you do it this time?
Comparable to before, I grabbed my graphing utility and plugged in the equations x into y1 and x squared into y2. I again found the intersection points of the two graphs at 0 and 1. However, I noticed that this time Kim Jong-un wanted us to revolve the area to find the volume instead of just finding the area. Doing some handiwork, I found the integral of 0 to 1 x squared minus x squared squared with respect to x.
Wait, why'd you square both equations?
Because when you're revolving the area, it looks like this.
Wait, why do you have to use that equation?
Well, it's simple, really. See how when I reflect this area over the x-axis, I get a circle? This is called the washer method. It creates a washer around the reflected area. The washer represents a circle, and we know that the area of a circle is pi r squared. This means that the equation, the integral of a to b of outer squared minus inner squared with respect to x, finds the radius at each point during the interval. Combining these, we get the washer method formula. After multiplying the answer that we got from the calculator by pi, we get 2 pi over 15.
That's insane. But what does that volume mean?
I don't know, but clearly Kim Jong-un cares about it.
Are there any more messages from Kim?
None so far. Wait, there's one more right there.
우리나라의 자주권을 존중하고 우리를 우호적으로 대하는 모든 나라들과의 친선 협조 관계를 확대 발전시키며 세계의 평화, 안전, 인류 공동의 번영을 위하여 적극 노력할 것입니다.
There he is more prominently, stepping down the hopes of so many people riding on this meeting. This is the man who's been threatening to wipe out cities in the US and wipe out parts of Japan and South Korea in recent months, and now he's walking down these steps to shake the hand of the South Korean president. So many people hoping this meeting will lead to substantial change and a deal which could end up with the denuclearisation of North Korea. But having said that...
You really saved our asymptote today, Shepard. Is there anything we can do to repay you?
You can leave me alone.
1, go.
He never was one to follow the rules.
I think he forgot he was doing the scene halfway through and just started
Stop laughing.
Sick! Come on, man, we gotta get
one.
You can leave me alone.
The amount of years that have been taken off of my life because of every time I see the camera almost falling is insanity. It's like I'm now gonna live till I'm 27.
That's not bad.
What? Hello? You're close, man. That wasn't even in frame.
Because I can't, like, there's no holding it.
Oh! That was so close.
Oh, dude.
You look like you have a black eye in this picture.
Oh my.
Yeah!